Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate barcodes in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where can you find Excel? I can find Excel in Microsoft Store. Launch the store and in the store search for Excel and follow through the on-screen prompt to download the app. After you have downloaded the app successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage in the app where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to generate barcodes in Excel. So I'm going to focus on this aspect of the sheet, this aspect of the sheet where I have code and barcode. So to start with, I'm going to have to format this. I'm going to as text. So I'm going to hold this down and highlight this entire and right click on format cells and text. In this number category, click it to text and set it to text and OK. So this has been formatted as text. It's going to help us generate our barcode clearly. So here where you have code and barcode, you're not going to have to select this empty cell next to this code I want to generate a barcode for. So here we're going to have to add the formula for the barcode. So use your equals. After the equal sign, you're going to open your quotation, so this quotation mark, and then you open parentheses and then open another quotation and use this and symbol or this and symbol, and then you're going to type in A11. That's where the code is, A11. As you can see, that has been highlighted. Now use the and symbol again. So you're going to have to use your close quotation and close parentheses, then close your quotation again. Now click on enter. Okay. All right, so let's go over it again. The equals and this, you have the open bracket and you have the and, you have A11, which is the code itself, and then you have the and again, you have this, you have this. I suppose this should work, and just a very surprising thing that it's not working. Okay, all right, so I'm just trying to figure out what exactly the problem should be. Okay, all right, so if you're going through that issue where you have typed in the code and it doesn't seem like the barcode is coming up, here's what you're going to have to do. You're really going to change this font into the barcode font. And what's the barcode font? Head over here to where you have fonts, that's under home. So select it to home, and in the font category, click on this font category, and you're going to have to select the taking it to I. So the ID automation C39M free version. So click on that, and once you click on that, you see now that your barcode has been generated. If you want to generate for the other one, just drag it down and you see that the barcode has also been generated for this other one. So this is for A11 and this is for A12. So for this A12, I'm not doing for A12. I'm going to have to do something unique for A12. So I'm going to click on this formula bar, and I'm going to copy this formula bar, Ctrl C. I'm taking to A12 and I'm doing Ctrl V. No, here. Sorry about that. So okay, I'm going to paste it anyway. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the formula. Just repeat the formula for this. I should have done that before entering this barcode. It would have been a little easier. So it is equals, and you have the open quotation, and you have the parenthesis, another open quotation, you have the and symbol, and here is going to be a 12, so that has been highlighted, an and symbol again, then close quotation, close parenthesis, and another close quotation. So over here, I'm going to take it to the font and change this font to the ID, and that has been created for A12. Now I'd like you to know that this ID automation is not something that you can just find in your font list. So you have to install this if you don't find it in your font list. And how do you install it? Just head over to Chrome, and in Chrome, just copy this hyperlink in here, idautomation.com/free-backup-products/code39-fonts and /. It's going to take you right into this window. So in here, just go ahead and click on download now. Now once you click on download now, it's going to take you to a zip file. So in that zip file, which is going to look pretty much like this, let's see what I have downloaded. So in that zip file, which is going to be like this, so open it and right click. So once you take it to the zip file, just right click and click on select all and extract all. So click on select just here. It's going to take it to something that looks like this. So select all, highlight all, and click on extract to. Once you click on extract to, select the window that you want to extract it to and click OK. Now once you click OK, it's now going to take you to a page that the document that looks like this. So once you open it, go ahead and click open and click on install. After clicking on install, it's going to be installed. Now once that has been installed, you can now take it back to Excel and you'll be able to find the font in your font option. So that's pretty much how you can generate barcodes in Excel. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.